Hello viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are watching the video with me on Tower of Hanoi, and we are trying to solve this problem using this Prolog. It's clear? So this is part of this artificial intelligence. In this problem you can see verify here what I am showing here. The Tower of Hanoi problem is famous puzzle to move n disk from the source peg tower to the target peg tower. Peg or tower, whatever say. This is the source I can say, or somewhere I will be talking about it to the left, this is the right, this is the center, or here I am talking about the source peg, the target peg and the intermediate peg, right? Or I can say I can call it the peg or the tower also I can call it, because it is just a vertical, no, we can call it. So because the Tower of Hanoi, so better we call it as a tower. Source tower to the target tower using the intermediate tower as an auxiliary holding peg. So this is the intermediate, is the auxiliary, temporarily will be holding for all the things, right? So there are two conditions that have to be followed while solving this problem. First is the condition is that a larger disk cannot be placed on a smaller one. You understand? Here you can see all the smaller disks are placed on the larger disk. Okay, but the thing is that the reverse is not possible. The reverse is not possible. We cannot place a larger disk on a smaller one. That is the condition. And only one disk can be moved at a time. So you cannot move all these two at a time. Only one will be moved at a time. So we can keep one above another, that is different thing, but at a time only you can move one. Okay, so this is the condition, and the following diagram depicts the statement setup for this n disk. But this is for n is equal to 3 disk. I am giving it here. You can go for 4 disk, you can go for 3 disk. I will give you the example of both 3 disk and 4 disk, and how to solve using this Prolog. That is very important things for point of view. Okay, this thing maybe Tower of Hanoi will be implemented in Java, you have implemented in Python. So that is not the concern to implementing these things. How to implement all the things using this Prolog, that is my concern here, right? So next thing we can come on here and I can say you yeah, what are things it is here. You can check it here. Yeah, just give me a minute. Yeah. Here to solve this we have to write one procedures, that is move n source to target, assuming this is source and this is the target and this is the intermediate. So we write move is the command I am giving it here. Move from n means n number are there, that is 3 4 like that, n is there, from source to target, and also auxiliary there. Here n number of disks will have to be shifted from source tower to the target tower, keeping auxiliary tower as the intermediate. What I already told you. For example, move 3 from source to target by auxiliary, right? Okay, so move top disk from source to target. So this top one I want to move from, so this is the source and this is the target, top one it is coming there. Then move the disk from source to auxiliary. Then what is the second will be this one, this I move to the auxiliary. Then move the disk from target to auxiliary. Then this smaller one will be here, this one I will move it on this middle one. That means in the auxiliary it will be this one, second one, and in the target will be the top one. Now in the third step I move this small one to the middle one, right? So then what I do, then move okay, move top disk from source to target. Source, that means the here the bigger one will there, this one I will take it to the target, I put it here, I take it here. Okay, right? Then move the top disk from the auxiliary to source. Auxiliary to source means here here it was empty, and here it is the middle one, the middle one here, and here is the you know all the things. Okay, so now let us solve this problem, and by solving this problem you can clearly understand what is the things. Okay, so now you can understand I am telling you what to do. This one we move it here, then the second one I move it to here, then the small one I bring it here again, and the top one I take it here. Okay, so like this you take it here, then the top will be a smaller one here, this you bring it here, and this one you take it here, and the top one you put it here. This it can be done easily. Okay, so animations I will try to do some animation, it will be easy for you to understand, but in the time being you can understand like this. Okay, now moving to the program here, we can go to the program solving. We have a program here. I am using GNU Prolog console. Okay, in this Prolog console what I am doing, you can check it here also. Yeah, I take it here better, and I drag it because this background it is showing, so I cover this thing, right? So and I can check. Yeah, I think yeah it is there. I think little left, little right, you take. Yeah, you can see here how do we get all the things? Say I close it here, just Control C, I put it here, and if it is not the thing, then you can enter and you write halt HALT dot. Okay, right? So now it has halted. Okay, now I can close this also. If you want, I can close it. I'll start from the beginning. So I close this program here and minimize all the things here. So I have to go to the desktop and start this GNU Prolog. Okay, double click this GNU Prolog. It is opening something like this. Okay, then my problem, the program I have written with a name that is towerOfHanoi dot this thing. So then you just open the file, go to the console. In this console, you go to the E drive. In the E drive, I am already having GHIJKLN Prolog program. You go to the Prolog program and open the folder. So once you open, you will have the number of programs what I have done, and I want to show you the towerOfHanoi. Okay. So when I open this towerOfHanoi, you can see it is running successfully. Can you get it here? It is running successfully. Now if it is running successfully, suppose I want to go for this 3, that instead of that is source and target, here I have given something like this left, right and center. Left, right and center I have given it here. Okay, so you can write it source, target and auxiliary here, whatever things you write, there is no problem. Control C, I have taken it here, and I write this coding here for you, and you can see the program is running successfully. Once while you are running this program, it is showing yes, it is compiled, and 41 lines read, and this and all things, it is yes, it is running. Now just right click, automatically it will be there. Sorry, so come on here and just right click, and this will be there. Move 3 left, right, center. So once you try running this program, you can see what is asking. Move top disk to the left. It is from left to right. From left side you are putting to the right side. Okay. Then second one, from left to the center, because the smallest one is the right side, the middle one is at the center now. Now move the top from the right to the center. What is the smallest one in the center? So if I am able to draw a line here, it will be better for me to explain, but I do not know whether it is, no, this can I take it here? No, it is not taking, I don't know. Okay, then I will try to draw it and explain you here also. Then if you go for this paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint 3D, so then double click there. So in the paint, double click, go for a new one, and you make it a very small one. Now this I can show you by drawing this program here, right? Now what I want to do, I take one thing, something like that, and I take any color here, right? Now what I am doing, so in my this tower, you can see this is the first tower. It is not coming like this. Let me check something like that. This one, no, not spray. I want something like that. Okay, it's fine. So what I take, so this was my things. Okay, so you can magic select, and you all the things you can take it, and Control A, delete. Okay, so delete all the things, so you can clear it here. So what I am doing it here, because let us see. So this was the thing, and what I am telling you that this was my disk. Okay, this was my tower. In this tower, so this was my biggest disk, and this was the middle disk, and this is the smallest disk. Okay, this is the this I can say it is the left, or you can say the left, or sometimes also we can give the notation like source. Okay, I can say it is the source, 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 right? Now this is the auxiliary, all the middle. So you don't see, because I am very poor in drawing, and I just want to explain you all the things, that is the thing. So now the top one is here. Where I want to put this top one? The top one is telling first move the top from left to the right. So this top one I put it here. The top one, the smallest one, I put it here. That means this part is gone. This part is gone. Okay. Then the middle one, this one, I want to. You see that. Then move the disk from left to the center. This middle one now. This one I want to put it here. Just it is not that much big. With the middle one, it is like this. Okay. Then the third one, what I am telling, move the disk from the right to the center. Right to the center means this was the right thing. By this time it was the right thing. Okay. So now this is gone, and this you are putting it here. You get it, right? A small one is there. Now what is left? This bigger one is left here. You got it now? So this bigger one is left here. So now what you have to do? This bigger one I take it here. The bigger one I put it here. Now the bigger one I put it here. Okay? Now the bigger one I put it here. Now what I have to do? Now all the three are gone. Now the entire thing is gone. You get it now? So you can go for the magic select and you select the entire thing and it will go, but it is not taking, I think. By the magic select. Okay, so in that case what I do, now this small one I will bring it here. Now the small one I bring it here, this small one. Okay, select. I don't know this thing. Okay, so then what you have to do, again I go for that one. Here I go for paint, P-A-I-N-T, and I go for the 3D paint. The same thing I go here. Now in the second step we are having things like this. Sorry. Make it little bigger. Okay, now in the second step what I am doing, the color, you select this is the color. Now it's okay man, why it's so stuttering. So what I am doing, in the first step what we did it here, so this is the thing and this was the thing, then this was the thing here and this was also thing here. Okay, according to the first one, so I take the different color dices, then it will be convenient for you. Suppose this was the bigger one, suppose this was the bigger one, and suppose then I take this one, this was the middle one. Okay, this I put it as the middle one, I put it here, and the smallest one I put it here, something like that. I take this color, yellow color, purple color, whatever the color that, this is the smallest one. Okay, now these are the three things are there, discs are there. Now what I am telling, move the top disc from left to right. So this is left, this I call it as the left, and this I call it as the right, R-I-G-H-T, right, and this is the center, C-E-N-T-R-E, center. Okay, there is nothing to worry about all things. Now what I did, move the disc from left to right. Left to right means, so this possible color, this yellow color, it will come here. The first one it is come here. Then when it is gone there, so then this is gone. This part will not be there. So just I just remove this one. For removing, what I do, just I put it here, and for this thing also I do it here. Okay, so I do it here. Get it now? The first is removed. Now what I have to do? Second one, move the top disc from the left to center again. Left to center. That means this green color I want to bring it to the center. So this I bring it to the center. Clear? When I am bringing it to the center, then this middle one is gone. This part is gone. Okay, this part is gone, and I remove this one also. So this remove, I put it here. So I put it here. You get it now? Now I put it there. Now what I have to do? Now this yellow color, what is the small disc? That is that. So move the disc from right to the center. In the right, what is there? Yellow color is there. This yellow color I want to bring it to the center. To bring it to the center, just I put it here, this one. Okay. Now what I have to do? The right hand side it is to be removed. Right hand side it is just need to removed. So I remove this one. Okay. So I remove this one. I remove this one. Okay. So this we can recover. Though this is just you put it here. Right there. You get it now? Now what I have to do? I have to bring this red color or maroon color, it is to the extreme right. The see, move the top disc from left to right. This is the move left to right. Then what I have to do? So I have to take this one and I put it here, just to left to right. When it is there, then obviously this part is also it is gone. This part is also it is gone, right? So then, and this part also removed. Now you can see left is completely free. Left is completely free, and now the center there are two are there and the extreme right there. Now what you need to do, because my purpose was to move all these disk from left to the right. Everything was in the left, now there. Now what I do, you see, move the disk from center to left. Center, this yellow color is there. Center to means we take this one, and this one I put it here. This one I just put it here. When I put it there, then this will be removed. Obviously this is to be removed. So then I remove this one. Then I remove this one. Right. When I remove this one, then what is there? Just you can check it here, and this also I remove. This I remove there in the register. Right. Then what you do? Now this green, that is the middle. So from this middle center to the right, I take the center to the right. Center to the right means again it is the green color. So then you can take it like this, and you take this one, it is here. When you are taking like this, the center part is also gone. This is already removed, right? So then you remove all the things here. Also now you can check it here. I removed all things. You got it now. Now there. What is the thing is there? Only this small is there. Then move top disk from left to right. Okay, left to right means you have to take this one, this color, and you put it here. Top disk is here. You got it now. Now obviously when you have already removed, this will not be there. When you already removed this one, this will not be there. You got it now. Now you have successfully shifted the entire disk to the towers, from left tower to the right tower. So this is actually the we call it as the Tower of Hanoi. Okay, right. I hope you are following these things. It is a small things I attempted. Don't go for the. I am not good in drawing and all things. I don't want to save it here also. Okay. Now this is done. So this you have done it for the 3. Okay. Suppose I go for 4. What will happen? So suppose I want to move to left to the center and here, and I enter it here. So it is showing all the things what it has done. The entire thing is, it is going from this to this, from left to right, all the things 3 it is already doing, right? So now I halt it. Okay, HALT dot. Okay, enter. Now it is there. Is terminate? Yes, I terminated the program. Now I want to do the same with the 4. Okay, so what I need to do, just open it here, and then you go for file. In this file you go to the consult, and you go for the Tower of Hanoi in the E drive E, and you go for the Prolog ABCDGH Prolog program, and here you go for the Tower of Hanoi, and just to select. Okay, so once you open, it is there. So it is running, successfully running. So now what I need to do, I need to go for this using this n is equal to 4. Okay, so n is equal to 4. Yeah, you go for the Tower of Hanoi. For n is equal to 4, already we are having all the things. So you do this thing, move 4 source to target auxiliary, something I am doing, Control C, and I want to use it here for this program. Right now, once I write it here and enter it here, you can see. So all the things it is showing, the procedure it is showing. You got it now. So move 4 source to target via auxiliary. So that you can do the in the similar way also. You can try draw the diagram, and you can clearly understand this is the entire process it has done. So you see what we have given it here. We have provided some knowledge base, some here. If you see it here, what you have provided in this program. Yeah, just I minimize all the things because it's running successfully. You have seen. Now what I have given. So I have given move 1 x y, right move top disk from all the things it is there. Okay, so these are Tower of Hanoi. So now the finally what I am doing, move n, all the things are there, x y z. This is the 3 I am giving it here. So in that case what I am doing, so if n is greater than 1, so initially because if nothing is there, then which disk it will move. So it will be, so we can go for 3, we can go for 4, all the things are there. Then move m x to z. X is the left and all the things you can do it here. Okay, the entire thing explained. So I hope you have understood the program of Tower of Hanoi using this Prolog. If you like this video, then please do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel also. This I will be uploading in the YouTube, and it is designed for some especially for this FDP program conducted AICT sponsored ADP. So if you really like this program, please don't forget to subscribe this channel also. Thank you for watching this video, and take care of your health, and have a nice day.